the numbers for you. What were you earning your average commission? You got to figure that out, whatever that number is. Like, you know what your commission is. If it's 10,000 and you're on a team, you're getting half of that. If it's my lead, 50%. If it's your lead, you make 70, whatever. I would base everything off worst case scenario, right? So that's $5,000. EXP is taking 20% until you get to 8,000 if you're on a team. So you're going to net 4,000, right? Same for me, till I get to 16,000. How much business is coming from listings versus buyers, right? How much working on your business, calling for sale by owners, sending 10 letters a week out is working on your business, right? That's controlling your daily action. That's going to generate a huge outcome. Submitting 3 express offers a day is a huge working on your business. Huge. Every real estate agent at exprealty.com. If you only did that in 2023, only, I promise you, you'd make $200,000 a year or more. Okay, or more. Every single agent at EXP needs to be express offer certified. Every agent at EXP needs to be submitting 3 offers a day, cash offers, to agents who have their home on the market for 40 days or more for sale by owners and expired listings. Every one of us. 3 offers a day, 7 times 7 is 21 offers a week, 84 offers a month. If only 5% take a cash offer from you, that is 4 deals a month closed, $10,000 commission. That's $40,000. That's $500,000 a year. If you are not certified, express offer, and master that program, you are still in 2020. I don't even know what year. If I could only give you one reason to come to EXP, that's why you should have came here. There's multiple reasons. But if you only did that, if I was a brand new agent at EXP, a brand new agent, that's all I would do. Guess what? You don't have to ever leave your house to do it. You can stay in your pajamas all day. You could do that. Or you could do like me, hire a VA to do it for you. I don't even have to do it. Right? It's $1 million GCI business book. But what if you only hit 10% of $1 million? You'd make 100,000, whether you sold a home or not. The person that said they had an emergency, the person that said that they had to get something done yesterday, the person that says that they don't accomplish what they need to accomplish right now today, it's going to cause catastrophic results in either their personal life or someone else's life. That's the person I'm talking to right now. So know your average commission. Okay? Know how much of your business is going to come from listings versus buyers. Guys, stop being high-eyed real estate agents and being pie in the sky and trying to put these exorbitant numbers. You know 70% of your business is not going to be listings. Okay? Give a realistic number so you can work your butt off to get there. I care about y'all being successful. So 30%, whatever your number is coming from listings and buyers, you know your business. If I was a brand new real estate agent, I don't even know how to do listings. My number would be 20%, 80-20. That's what it would be. If I was a seasoned real estate agent like myself, it'd probably be 40% listings, 6% buyers, something like that, right? Okay, all right. This thing will start to calculate it for you once you start putting in your numbers, right? We got one for the loan officers. We also have one for real estate agents. Then it'll break it down for you. I will sell on the listing side. It tells you, I know that blank of my listings will sell. How many of your listings will sell?
Half.
What percentage?
50.
Should be more than that.
Yeah,
Should-
like 85.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Okay, if you have a listing, you should be selling more than 50% of your listings. You know, a certain percentage, 80% of your listings should sell. You shouldn't be taking listings that are not going to sell, right? The purpose of getting a listing is to do what? Come on.
Buyers.
Get more buyers and get more sellers. We had a listing Jill posted and we ended up canceling, but guess what? I still got 3 buyers off of it. I got one I got to give you out of date that's already pre-approved that wants to see your house, right? The whole purpose of a listing is to get more listings, to get more buyers. It's not to sell the home because you can't control the outcome of selling a home. Only thing you control the outcome or action of is the marketing behind it. And your marketing should be able to generate more buyers and sellers. All right.
We got 2 people on the loan side for that listing also.
Absolutely. Pick up 2 on the loan side, 2 on the buy side. Oh, that's $40,000 for $160,000 listing in commissions. All right, I signed.